So RS is unlike any other distributor on a global field. We're logistically placed to support every single offshore wind farm that is operational at the moment. I set up this trade show today to really demonstrate the collaboration within sectors. We need to be more open between all different elements of that supply chain, and I wanted to demonstrate that that is possible today, bringing 4 manufacturers, a distributor to an operator and a developer, for us to get first-hand understanding of what those products and application of those products are within the offshore elements, and to understand any issues and constraints that there might be for us to work together to improve that as well.
This is a fantastic event. Any of these opportunities that we get to come onto site and directly talk to the engineers, the technicians on here, allows us to, one, demonstrate the equipment and put them knowledge that they may, and equipment they may never seen before or be aware of. Obviously it gives us the opportunity to introduce new features that we bring to the units as well. And then most importantly is just that engagement. We're able to answer the customers' questions directly, we're able to offer advice straight away, and hopefully just obviously start to resolve some of their applicational issues that they may be facing.
It's a very important part of the Milwaukee process. We rely on our distribution partners such as RS to be that conduit between ourselves and the people who are using our products, our end users. So any event like this, we're always happy to support.
Trade shows for us an absolute key part to our business. It gets us in front of engineers and really talk about our product range, which is a very, very important thing for us.
They're really important. The key thing for us as a manufacturer is really to get our tooling into the hands of the people that use them, so they can feel and see the difference between us and another manufacturer. So yes, our hand tools will give them the knowledge and confidence for the environment that they're working in.
We're very aware, and RS Group as a whole are very aware of the significant role that the offshore wind sector is going to play in achieving net zero targets, not just in the UK, but globally as well. There's no industry like the offshore wind sector. It's constantly evolving, constantly innovating. We're moving further afield with deeper waters, larger turbines. So there's huge strides to be made, and we want to be seen as a partner within that sector to develop that and work with customers to achieve those targets and goals.